Hello YouTube! Today I will show you how to replace battery, USB chip and housing on Xiaomi Redmi 4A. Firstly, gently remove the housing using some plastic clip. Secondly, remove this plastic cover by unscrewing all screws. Thirdly, disconnect these two cables from logic board and start on removing bottom plastic cover. Step 4. Disconnect USB chip and Wi-Fi cables. Now just remove old USB chip and change with new one. You're supposed to gently pull those stickers from the bottom of the battery and then the battery should remove easily. However, I failed to do it, so I used plastic clip to remove the battery. If the battery is really stuck, you can use some glue remover or something like WD-40, you know what I mean. I forgot to film how I inserted the battery, but it's pretty easy. Just gently place those gum stickers on battery and put the battery back. So we are done with the battery. Now put everything back how it was. My old housing had some scratches, so I replaced housing as well. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.